because of money, you know. Omo information na omo nye research bi anase bi a omo pay attention, you know. Obo ko msa asema kono boa. So no work. Yes, because of pay views or pay ska. And one of my friends send me. Send na I say Shapilo. I'm say Shapilo. Do you think catch it? You say o tin catch some can so be jedu. Na me aka me tin no sunu kwa say Shapilo no. Ho kra dwiru. Yes. But one thing is a lot of people were tagging me GH page. But one thing is me question a GH page. Now Oman say confirmed. It was like I think a lot of people have posted it on TikTok as well. It's on TikTok no. Who possibly say hey, cool. And most of them they think about the followers and their views. No, GH page as a whole station. I know. Because all Shapilo contact, it's easy for to get it. So them just say, but or you're strong, or you're fit, or you're very fit. Do you believe that some of the stars in the to me, Fred blogger say write negative news about me? Yes. Oh, there. Bro, even some of the superstars, some of them take cars in them, rigs in that, you know. I'm telling you.
Dear Nisavana Safo, make Kamfuju TV. I'm a baby, Canada had no one near Shady Jenny. I want to be who know my papa, and then some papa, and it's just some I coso.
Abusafo bi akwa biem ebajiu TV so sene dan me catch am say senior na hweme a na wa subscribe channel na the notification bell no atko some the next video bi ato na wonsa atumi aka abusia sisi ye wo ha e na me kohwe media no so na menya ntie say esi Kumawood actor Kwame Obrimpon dodo na name say Shapiro o acti acheye pa o kan mo a Kumawood omo sha ase mfiti ase na o ka ho bi me kohwe ese wa free am say how come me am sheme pa senior man we gina me nche say muhu no muhu no ana baafo ope bloggers a omo sa vlog ka ho a o number 1 wa ye adwuma no acheye me ne twen komo no adabi you do feel bi e de mame na wo say Ghana phone na me ne mo hye na mu de ekopa sebi si yesi wo wu no ne kra buom anase ne kra bi nim taman boko de rapani boko na so boko wudi ni metwa no yeah na ba fo so wa na ba fo na so ba no wa jinga ka posa Obrimpon fodi so o 2 for this year na ba fo before 2 for this year nka me de she wa yifi eno ano no de she pa na me ka yes na ma me fa pia on ka na pia o pia so na ma di otam for 10 years account fi on it is about the media na ba fo the celebrity blogger pia eno ano no yes I say mu se won nam Dubai ho no wani age na wo chile yeah me boss bi na me call Marketing Furnitures Mr. James we afia Kenten also we travel and tour Kent Trust Travel and tour even this next week he on the 17th of September you funny face in Kwakuma and some of the people also could Dubai be on the Dubai them is on free there I mean you call me free it was just 5 days tour yeah say Jumana na de wonam yeah also e turn it you know I mean what I want to be call so I was a personal blogger for it it's me blogging my money ade but you want see the crowd ko chile there me ko chile pa I say yes wo call ya na of course yes eno ani age because ko hu a lot of things that e ba ko na se me twini kwa nya papa Dubai ya no Dubai ya na wo twini bia ba chamai 5 days pe no chamai after me do ko the portal some say what yeah no 5 days 5 days ba na be dem ko se Canada US ba dia me ka bibia se montimenka o mawu e ba yemo no US so e ba ho o manye odi ntwen senior this you shall also appear so now me din komo sure you see there are so many stars across the media so me ka say media na bi mu sua de e bi mu so na msika o mo penti no you see on say o create story bi na o ka say me say me am for commenting more interaction here more most of Facebook I am more trace come on some people also there because of money you know omo nya information na omo nya research bi anase bi a omo pay attention you know obo ko msa asema kono boa so no work yes because of pay views or pay ska so them try say and some blogging na din kakra because the first who pay ska no so many years and have build reputation you know you can't just online because of scarcity news be akeke so them try say yeah it's you know
trainer baby I'm one of my baby send me send na say Shapilo I'm say Shapilo do you think catch it you say o think catch some can so be jebi
ne kra
o because you go get be wire da or man because you will watch
because we come in baby o nye na obo mu nche mu sia makara
yes but I want to tell fans and people watching your channel because your channel call actually pa say Shapilo is not dead bro. Shapilo is very very strong, very healthy.
wow
yes onyare nya hwe bibia nto no Nyankopon adom no ho den
wow
obezo landing yes obezo landing etina say amasi adwuma no on share ho hihye sha na say enutia but onyare nya hwe na me akasa me tin no sunu kwa say esi Shapilo awu no
ho kra dwiru
yes and you through in the chat you can say Ghana for yale forget your mo
because you say media house we are big the share say blog here
yeah. But one thing is a lot of people were tagging me GH page, but one thing is because share GH page now Oman say confirmed it was like it allegedly say well that's how GH page for post here so indirectly with me and say yes because on confirmed independent one was what yo yeah but
movie was video no they took down and I said that's what
no I think me call video now be
okay
yeah because I'm for tagging because share and say me who say video now and it was a picture I think a lot of people have posted it on TikTok as well. It's on TikTok no who possibly say hey cool yes unya views no more followers no more and most of them they think about the followers and their views no
I'm dreamy pan
no but bro what na say I do who dey own way say one day how do you feel because even GH Peg as a whole station I know them to be one of the biggest channels of all Kumasi say okay so Shapilo contact it's easy for to get it
no correct
it is it's a lay so what you say quickly you contact one or two people you get to know Shapilo me tia one or two tia me Shapilo me kasai
and na nka mebu say kwa be so na ade hu say owu ye wotias
good and I can say always say you say bia oni nipa free kwana me say me start in free kwana there was some WhatsApp platform movie for so and to for so every people so it's what you some for bi hu a bloggers your page bon man bloggers from kwana go and no start be a personal blogger it's what you some for what is bi hu a no busa then nipa na feedback so no send it here before I say na one baba tell confirm me so I'm just saying but I know most of us we want to be the first person that can yeah,
can say one in the can yeah my Matthias
so I'm trying to say but before say oh confirm as another some top make sure say what necessary I check out you say send it here so I'm trying to say but say you no just say na me say Jude yare na Jude filmer I have to call him me no cause me from your bell Matthias say Matthias what to say na me no me rest so confirm what I'm just say but you see say you when na free me say that but obi atwen say rare sources in bra of course yes what also be ko kan
han ko kan
good it was all to us investigation say na esi now be say rumors yes and dia na ko say be it
was so dia na big o cap obi a be che na ma me ko bebrebe ni nam so
yes of course more for the corner yes it you say one very careful na say we don't see the tibia be kan though say it alleged it confirmed though but who two as a GH page and as a big bloggers now more access to them. You see, even people at GH page you can even call Nana your pay number because I know there's most of the content don't be say choma is about to from me. Nana say at you. Nana say na call number
maybe come from
yes. Yeah, it's no one needs to the person now. We inquiry sabenya no busama profession but if you want to be the first to post now I say my posting this year. I mean, what's now? Next time, what can you be a genie? Be a genie.
But all the no share that friend person answer we and the start
chat. WhatsApp chat. Yeah, because now because I'm for business say, me I wanted to call him personal, but also what you call friend back. I wanted him to do even a video for people to know say that you go gonna afford the able to know because one man power now. So them just say, but or you're strong or you're fit, or you're very fit. Yes, it's yes gonna funny. I'm from Donning na and say Shapilo is straight on yare nyehwe by we say Ghana for
na wo ka say mo say Ghana for no mo bo to because of views ni followers ni ade ye hwe this side enye baako enye mienu omo taaye
of course yes
e wo media no so sankofo no omo favor
bro all say sometimes so one of them might know say dey say could you believe say some of the stars ni be so timi free blogger say write negative news about me
Yes.
Oh, there. Would you believe that some of the stars in the to me free blogger say write negative news about me?
Yes.
Oh, there.
No star man kasa.
Yes, most of the stars. Obu to me free blogger we say I mean no free system watch it. So write news about me. Some tell the truth. And I said I say ko ebi ayi book on ko ebi. Say book was say o ma breakers we can say o mon trade news was wo. O say Ghana for dona. And some of the stars in the most of them tough man as you move free system man. O mo timi just story bia on no make say on say ba pega say abek kana gna chiro.
So no one na say yes no.
O mo timi ko star bi e trace kama no. O say chale me buy abek kama gna chiro. O ti ama bufu. Bebe o
to mo share that year o mo.
Yes, e bi share yes ade no. It is the same say basa na now your blog don't inside the way. Now one enquiries now find normal.
What are the fake news we
Of course, yes. So obo mo share that me plan na na share na plan. Eti mam me ka hwe. Eti masire. Social media na e woso no. Mesire mo mam mo be to pressure mo de me ka say mo. Mesire wo nipa na wo ni share school ase na wo so o make it big or the come na that day o su funa most of them e mo kwa. Bro, even some of the superstars bro, even some of the superstars some rent cars in rigs na you know. I'm telling you. Yes. What you superstar we na me why say Charlie don't na nyom dia. Keke kwa. Mom ka sim some of the stars some kwa chim na stars.
Oh, bro, day. Anya so be di ho.
The be so timi kan chiro because
Because anya so be di ho na be obeka say express na
say ni ba ko na so na be say serious understand na for me. It's all this kind of collentica. Start with Parano Didi.
Now forecast.
Yes. Most of them are there. Hey, Charlie, I won't show me quite change, but I want to make control. Because what else will be with you? That's how we come be that to me pain. God, there's a time be, make a tell my friend, we say, she didn't know what's sending me. Bro, I'm not swatty. Say, I got not been it. It's one and the wife, friend said, Nana, Obra say, I was also saying this, but who's got to send him out? Or we say, be a song. I'm sorry there. No, so was this guy 100,000 cities. I'm so send my. What is the time that was I'm answering you? I'm a time Ghana kwa. You see? Almost say only stars na ma. I will see ya. There's some big. There's some many little program bi. E ko na ko yoja asimi nkotoku be mra. Me nkotoku be ba na ko yosi nso ne ne de. I don't know what's kotoku be ni bi. Bro, ko ba me koto e no. So man 5 6 ko joko 10 cities.
One this attention and want to know what you because of star.
So people think say we supposed to inquire this kind of but you don't know bro, met my car say minister come and change say baby I wish I start. Then I'm a big restaurant me didi. Bro, I have a lot of restaurants in Kumasi. As I said earlier, Kent Cap. All the best restaurants were Kumasi more. Any Accra restaurants more. My boss no. So me go Kumasi and I'm Accra and I'm say boss come to me see and I go didi. It's my cause here in Kodidia or some video. Now me post one comedy for free. After that, me was here better. Me guy who are crying for boss sheba. What's your fashion? Abba. On a permission for free. But who says she say I tell you more than I cause ka.
So ni na sponsor senior dey na the man.
It's me first say me scarce say na tell us show for our pesca me now pesca me change. It's most of the things that I cause social media na me say.
Let's me ba o. Oko fast me ya. But let's say movie na kasa scan share dey ni man na say obu aya kasem keke.
There be scam. Scam dey umpa but it depends how you ban yourself. Yes. Obu onu ma. Why say mate for sika. You was about for sika there. O ba mendi I let am come here scam for. Them. Yes. It is a one severe a time will come. Yare do nka say yare mba, yare ti ba. And most of the time na movie na yare no. Bro. Be 1 month 2 months now on the fie. O da set so. Bra, e bi anka wo fie anka dwana be dunya se gani bindi. O ko program bi a mo gana rich. Ko mo say we stand, mo to gana bi aka, mo gana rich. Say gana rich so na kunya bra.
Me kre.
Me ko yes kan bi interview. E wi interview no, o so mo fo gana mre me. Chama, jollof na kokona na bibia kama. Na me di my feel. Ti me di no ka say o mo fo so de mre no. Bra, body ano a, ene mako ni kobi. Ana no bedi. Am say papa, ana wudi anyway. O si yo nana. Oba na kam di mo anka we say minister ka obetwa ko do say ehia me o su na hodi wom
so ni odi no akono so
yes
enye se no ho na kire no
yes
patiaso
ye peko bi sia na obi mo odwene dia obeso ye so chi ma and so they kuye no most of the stars no ye nia ni diem say omo ntade sem omo set so ko bro ni nyina ka wona tobe na para ba yare amom and say who pray about say one yen to us no one investment now ma start on do tirim o ma say ma say do tirim o ma say do tirim a time will come
a mistake
yes
na educating ko fo bi wa ha na no me ko ni etwa court
okay
ayi court ye adum soro court ye police penyin ni sheda frey o invite ye ko no office na o de tena ho lawyers be de o asemi ni kwa asem ka mo ka teze hwe ni ameka but ye nkomodie na akofa sa de na ba omo educate ye me ehunu say court na ye betwa no o se ye famra kwa so ansa na watwa content na ba ye mo wa TikTok ko akoya say video bia na obi akasa fa no wo ka de ope nipa cross tum say anya simesi bani no wo kasa sa de no say bi ko nipa na kro na se kra na you be say de wo kan ya edne but o kasa te say de what happens because of say followers are working sankofo ne sansem na mo kan sa we are by because TikTok am ko hu wa otime na buza say na eko sankofo no emra bia tumi nkofo mo de na mo nye
bro emra no don na we ka say emra na emra no tunti na akasa no bro do you know say if you take a picture you find out where crowd to miss you
to me see
yeah of course yes
obi kona me twa picture
bro say saloon restaurant bi and I say now celebrate bi image at the top of France no nya where to miss you bro I didn't know be an afro bi won say nipa na ya where some no kasa now record no one can tell me to miss you
wow
yes I'm not kasa now record can tell me that you know what you
just
so I'm sure e me Uganda but yem padisuya
no munhu
yes it's me advice yen no more social media no so especially TikTok on because of some me popular because of some me views me friends na rent obi aka bro obu okura wa some okafa ahun bra oni mu hwe oni ba bia o but dey o say fabricate aka asem no asa onu jona no wo ye
asa onu na da solid
bra me na ba for kwa me no rekra me ti ase me fa me ho na me busam say is there any na ba for bia na me wasere mo ken bro
oba kasa ko so kom sa do mo kra sel kra
obi ti mi ka say me no mo sa me gay na yo
also no mo sa wow
me no mo sa da obi ti maka na the funny part no say dey mo sika asem no obi ko ni mu da o but obi ka atwa ma si so dey mo si asel wo no so no o chi se si ya say on patch so a chapa nduro so obi ka sa akọ chi se si ya so say na oni boniface na say but ono no yes ono no just few minutes bi ni views bi open ti na wo ade a wa build bro to build good TV nyezo she tell struggle say what
yanto
dabi
start from one yanto channel come no say followers no order nyezo
imagine what me fuck kwa na metimi takam bed odo chale mu stress yango pore be obai adidie mu ni ade bro na obi ti ko tell social media no so no o ka say back 2 3 say Jude akwanyim gebi Jude akoyese ese Jude ho front e dey with my side no ni aka so na narrative na otenye kwampo a gebi an chat voice ni akofa betum ese kwa dey say mo ibi kwa ma etimi no voice kwa ye asema kan kwa side ma I'm telling you bro by the time I use asem no kwani mu no na do yes asem etimi sem nyam social media na sremo say the wo cd post ka no mesro ense obi mfa mpa woni mu nya na wo dey wanya de
ne kre
mesremo ense obi mo mo social media so mo kunto kwa na we say mo didi atem bro mo nya very careful social media forget you yes minim superstar bi a otwa movie bi it was even almost naked bra a time came go privacy af no first say native movie for YouTube man e ha no
oda
yes
one ne grant interview kra na otumi ko ba bi no asa for say Jude Mr. Wade we clear fish man
ina from isi an shapi
one afro
eti one friend is
ai friend ke be me pa friend
for good to know say anybody na work na say no say
because you know be wo ha what that you want to say Ghana ombo wo to what ho a wan hwa be wu so na time no so ye
so sad
asema ye be ka to so no what one na wu so na time no so ye
so sad eti no asemo social media na so menye very careful na hwe no be yeye because enne na bia I mean unim na nabafo you don't even know cause what chebi na nabafo na beboa na social media nti ana say me na asuma sin nam o tan wait na so kodi akire bro they me ka say Many Judy Jina he. So I am a town for now Masama. Judy your town for. There. See them turn you there. Say many Judy just a many Jew issue. That's a way I'm a dog for. Like I say, no many Jew issue, you know. Since I know you don't know if you crowd Judy never wow. Soon so do lame. What I can see when you come to qua. Miss Row and you and Quiggy be a commono or make us for half an hour. See, some TikTok, you almost for my bus on my dues as I'm 2 more Wesley kissing more or what dues car. A cockroach, yes, it's a cabinet wood, you know, and make it be and to 20. Go and let me show me the book be that kind of also life. To Bobby Gianna to say, yeah, Bobby Jam, a TikTok home. Bobby Jam, and I see also. I never was so. It's a rest ceremony. Make very careful. And you be able to be the business of one person. You will be able to show me the BI because, as I said earlier, no, you start seeing the crown elbow more. So more top person my youth for no. So I'm trying to say, but this time, Mr. Rowe, what's your saying on quality and the summer? The correct. And moving got top pressure man away where you cry for 16 Pro Max, we got 17. We say much ever she bro. Ya meta ya ngopo say time so abunya and moving got top pressure man. And I'm Mr. Rowe social media and ko tie asem ya CSC bi. Onnim mu asem ya ngoka bi. Correct. Asem sina ni mu asem bi a ngoka bi. Ko dem ka say one time for be pen about it first and say yem first yes nyasem asem bi esi we trust eba abehwe nya ka say me say it me say asem si na woni information bia na not because of views, not because of followers, not because of scabinity. Say nipa na see you kwa na bro it work against you. TV bia na no nya nto wase. Yes. Yes. Asem si na say bia wo no say afuna oba woni information bia oya o trust bia it's alleged, that's fine. But we a big media house like GHP, I'm not expecting them to post something like this and be saying it's alleged. Once if you guys want to get contact to Shapiro, it's easy for you to get it. Show them to say, it's many of you this idea. They show you. They for share to say same person. I do be there one penno and find you. Yes, sir.
It is says to be a man son here the uncommon yabe. Let us say what you ask me
about Shapiro we on Yari Shane, and I don't know what they pa what this actual concono, the whole thing. I be what I'm Martinica. On Yari Shane, on Waba Casa, of course, yes. On Yari Shane, said you're afraid here. Yes, and when any Mutianke, Tiana Casa, on Waba Shapiro Yari Shane, and I don't know what the pa. It's yesterday, fans for no. Because me post here, I was we comment say, "O ma fino mo tin kan chi, mo ti mo show mo." Because I dey asem dey sikuma say I wo because mo dey fear panic to tungo bi. Yes, mu nya sa de no. Wa pe Shapiro asem bia me serew. Shapiro no wodi, o nyare nya hwe, nya me ko pa dum. No wodi se twe konko no. E fa na so wo no. But o London. E Shapiro o London. Nche bia tin say o what transfer bagana even yeah before Christmas bagana. About Masukra na I mean you try and get him one money in Kasamu say Shapiro is still alive. Yami adumti. Onyale nyehwe. Yeah. Ti obi fufu bi capture Ghana for na say no ano. Yeah, ti na say me kaka no. Ghana for me hwe o me nyahwe yi. Bro, if I miss be channel be say me can say we a young guy na so make it in life. You very careful. E ya future me mama, am the mobia. Mama say me very careful BMW ho. Mama car BMW na say be a car na waka. O say na nya car. Be ni stand for bottles we get sensa. I am jama money. The bridge of women. Say a future come youth me man. We young Ghana but say yanko shira na won yini che na brabo na si yi a you very careful about ensanom ho e mo ni mrisika na hwema yi ma me kire me say we young Ghana atiso na the ensanom si wani so a sebi yo ka so sebi nyansa nkura ka say wo munya no abo tu ka ensan kwa mfa na nyansa wo mpa so matiase o tira wi ase na say o masika di onim kan a you make it in life all right but on che eti empro ade ngeda empro so benya bi before say futu pekpo tu se mo gina ba ene se na ba fo cry phone ti jinja so cry free bi na we na be se fata wonnim ka so nya iPhone no ma me kan chiro eti nko e se na fata o ye young youth na afi na babra na you very careful about ma come ma me say e ma se impress e ma bosumi bi o mu mo jani ba mu mpra to such creator we very dangerous obet ma bless you obet ma curse you to show ba na ya na se woni ne kasa na se fana ne koda en fan show to say oba na efo e peropontia to me very careful salmo you obo mo say map ja mo bia mpa wa na yo me very careful na hwe nsu e na man pa bo eni enim kan na wo ti ase ni nko ande en da so ma
okay bro ya da se said ya na bafo esi e kan nyoma bi wa wo ti a o media no so asabi wo de kwa adwundwum mu a odwunu wa won ti ase se Shapiro bi o wo ne ba bi bo ne bra no ni pa bi a tse da tena se ma me nhye da nye sa de we no abo na wuto abeso oni akoni mu ye so na ne fan bi wo baabi obi a ope na asem bi wo baabi a hu pe na ne yema hye no ebia wo so family o ne papa ne maame wo ha o na busuafo ho no so hu obose ne yema hye no bo hwe nkwa na ne ba ne ti ason sa nyoma na ya sebi wo sika na o pe ho ntem ti na wo yesa na me say me enjoy sa life no na wo ti bibia to bo ase ya research ne wo so ade a wati say na tie ne kwabu mansa na be kasa wo wo se mi na efolo bu a ehu case ni pa be say ye nhwehwem ne wo so case is true say ni pa kon say na asia na na me nya case wo say islogon obi akọ awuwa da obi masa ye follow sa case o mo nche islogon ba bi kra de ni si ye hunu iti hwana si wo akọ say o si oboga bi ni ba bi Sanis nya ye research sa so ye kasa ba bia eko nti abusiafo bi wo ha ya nto ebo ase nti na abafo akase Shapiro amumu nim no aye Kumawood actor ohun ye okoti ase abusiafo medin edi Jude Safo edi besia peace.
Thanks for watching and please don't forget to subscribe and share for more updates.